Now, some of you guys are going to say, TK, what could you possibly be doing at Warren Assembly? Well, let's talk about it. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And this right here, that is Warren Assembly. And there's currently a ton of UAW workers still on indefinite layoff. And I want to talk about some of the stuff that I learned over the weekend and try to give you guys some optimism and hope because it's coming. I know it doesn't seem like it right now, but it's coming. So, we already know that the Ram 1500 is going to be hitting capacity at Sterling Heights Assembly Plant, all right? They're on emergency shifts. Now, yesterday, or was it day before yesterday, right when I got into town, I don't know if that was Thursday or Friday, into Detroit, I got a message that like 40 or so more workers got called back. And this isn't because they've been buying out people to retire, all right? Normally, that's happening with buyouts for retirement. That's not what it is in this case. So what's coming to Warren Assembly? Well, a couple of things, I think. I think we're going to see some Ram 1500 production there. But as I stated here recently, you know, I had a conversation with a couple of different people over the weekend just to ask the relevant questions of how are they going to deal with the tariffs on the 2500 and the 3500 Ram. And the answers I got were surprising. They're not just going to keep paying a 35% tariff, but they also can't shut down the line. So they're looking at moving production. Now, this is the crazy part. I feel like they're hedging their bets there. They're hedging that there's going to be a deal made. But it wouldn't take an excessive amount of time for them to retool to build one of the 2500s, not the diesel version, but just the 2500 Power Wagon, right? It is a product, and believe it or not, I feel like the Power Wagon is probably going to sell more than the Grand Wagoneer. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. I feel like it's going to sell more than the Grand Wagoneer, but that's just me. Now, the Grand Wagoneer with a Hemi, sign me up. I'm all about it at that point. But while I did see some impressive stuff out of the Hurricane this weekend, shout out to John over at Boosted Motorsports. I keep mentioning that guy. I was going to say kid, we're probably the same age. But I keep mentioning that guy in videos because that guy's channel, as a brand ambassador, right? And he built his channel off Ram stuff, right? As a brand ambassador, and now he is a badass-ador. He should just have so much more subscribers and views, man. So go support his channel. But that is the news that I have for you. It's extreme. There's other stuff I want to share, but I need to tie some things down to make sure. You guys know when I say something, it is what it is. It's factual, all right? And I'm actually on the way to go meet with Brian from the UAW right now. About to go have lunch and hang out and have a conversation with him as well. And I'm sure this will probably come up. But I'll probably do another update, and I'll give you guys a plug-in on it when I know. For me is, I don't want to say something and I don't have it locked in. You get what I'm saying? The reason why my track record is so good is because I double, triple, quadruple check stuff before I drop it, and I'm still 4 or 5 months ahead of everybody else. So outside of my dude Butter the Insider, we get some of the same information. But if you're at Warren and you're on an indefinite layoff, there's hope. Don't think there's not hope or that you're never going to come back. It's going to happen. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friend.